We're waiting for Alexa, and it's 1:30. We just got out of school.
They live in buildings.
So do I.
I think me too. No, I live in a carton box in Antarctica.
And you pay.
I pay. Wait.
Okay. Ready? I'm gonna fall through the chair. I'm gonna fall through the chair. Ready? Watch. Put it here. Ready? I can feel the whole chair.
Ew, that's nasty.
This is my butt.
This is the best book ever. Best book ever.
Jesse?
This is the best book ever. New book from the series of Vampire Kisses. What'd you say?
How's it work out?
What'd you say? What'd you say? Don't hit my camera. I have a neck.
I see your neck.
You can't have my neck. I don't need one. Who needs shoulders?
I need shoulders.
What do you need shoulders for? You don't even carry a backpack.
She carries a messenger bag.
Do you need shoulders?
Yes. I love my shoulders.
You can have my shoulders too. If I was made of Play-Doh, I would shape myself as a dinosaur.